What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a good day. Today's a pretty cool day, Memorial Day weekend, and one of my buddies, he's hosting an event with all the H1s. It's like a crew. They're called Son of Highlands. I just joined their crew with my Jeep, and it was really nice of them to actually have a Jeep in their group. They're all H1s, so it's kind of cool.
All right, let's go.
Alright, so we got here, we're vibing with everyone, and man, these Hummers look so good, you guys. I'm the only Jeep. It's cool though that they're accepting me. It's pretty decked out Jeep, so they're cool with it. And every one of them has its own feature, like the way it's designed, or it has its own style, its own taste, and they're amazing, man. Look at this, look at these setups. I really like this flat one. That thing is so nice, you guys. No one does flat, by the way. It's really hard to maintain, especially on the H1 if you go off-roading. That's the Humvee status right there. That's pretty nice. This color is really unique. It's a really nice color. All right, so as we're headed out right now, we ran into a little issue. One of the Hummer's belts just ripped off the engine. So luckily Eddie with the yellow Hummer had an extra belt. He's hooking it up. He's like a mechanic. He's jumping on it right now. He's gonna try to put it in so we can all head out. We don't leave one behind. We're just now heading out, and kind of sucks. We had to leave one behind. Feel really bad. The AC compressor was seized, so same thing. If we would have put the belt back on, it would have ripped. So
we want to thank you for, a daily basis that you guys put your lives on the line. So this is one of the appreciations that, least that we can do to fix the other truck.
Hey, I got the keys if anybody wants to drive mine. They're in the car. Just take it from my spot.
Matthew!
You guys scared him away. No. Listen, we just came back from a Burbank station and a Benai station. We thank you for your services. We donate a whole bunch of pizzas, and if you guys don't mind, we want to leave a 1 or 2 pizzas with you guys.
Oh, you guys don't have to?
No, I know we don't have to. We donate.
But we want to.
We want to.
Thanks, brother.
Thank you. Appreciate it. You guys be safe.
Thank you very much.
Please subscribe to my channel, guys. For the crazy build. What's up?
You're gonna be on YouTube.
I'll put you on there right now, bro. Got you too, bro. All right, so we're at the Walk of Fame, the Stars in Hollywood. It's pretty nice. We just had a couple more officers pull up, and they were really nice. We ended up donating more pizzas to them, and it was cool. We took some pictures. They're being really nice about it. It's Memorial Day weekend, and we're trying to keep the social distancing, but it's not working, so it doesn't matter at this point. We out here to have fun anyway, so. Alright, so that's it for today, you guys. It was really nice doing something for the communities. They were really, really excited and very thankful for what we did for them. And that's it for today, and that was cool, and we'll see you guys next time. Alright, bye.